Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and if your kiddo is anything like mine, then he is gonna love these sunglasses from PolarSpex. What's so great is that they are polarized, and this is the wood grain smoky lens, and they are just so good looking. Now, what I really appreciate about these sunglasses is that they stay on his face. As you can see here, he is flipping, he is swinging, and the sunglasses do not leave his face. Now, he is about 6.5 years old, and they fit him perfectly. They're really comfortable on, and I like as well that they have a little bit of bend to them, as you can see here, because you know how kiddos are. If they're too stiff, they could crack and break. So that is a wonderful feature. These wood grain sunglasses have awesome detail to them as well. I like that it has this really nice metal piece here that gives it some more character, and then the sides are a black. So super sleek, super cool. These sunglasses come in a variety of colors, so there's definitely one that your kiddo will love. If you're looking for a pair of sunglasses that will protect your kid's eyes and look really awesome on, then I definitely would recommend these, but that's just my point of view.